If you're struggling to get your hand pump to work, let's do some troubleshooting. The first thing I would check is that you're using the correct flange size. You could try a silicone insert with this, or you could swap out the flange for one that's your correct size. Another thing you could try is silicone instead of hard plastic. So you get a flange like this Idaho Jones one that will fit in here, but gives you that silicone texture. The second thing I would check is your valve and membrane. This membrane should be replaced if torn or damaged, or about every month or two. You also want to make sure that when you put it on, that it is nice and flush against the yellow piece. This way it will suction properly. You could also swap out this valve and membrane. I personally prefer a ductile valve. I find it gives better suction, gets torn or damaged less often, and is really easy to remove and clean. And then the third thing I would check is actually the handle. If this handle is not put together correctly, the suction will not work at all. So I would take it apart and then put it back together. Make sure that this piece is in all the way, and that when you put it on, you get that silicone all the way on. The next part of the handle to check is actually this little ring right here. It's this little white piece. It's called an O-ring. And if this is missing or damaged, your pump will not work. Let me know if you have any other questions about the Medela hand pump.